Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern called Devon cross, and this cross develops in the corners here, and you can make it to any size you require. The pattern repeats the instructions for rounds 3 and 4 continuously to the size you require, and end it up with round 3 and then a single crochet round or any pattern round that you like. So I shall go into the video immediately, friends. Chain 8, slip stitch and join to the very first chain, and then chain 1, make a standing double crochet in the as the very first DC. Instead of chain 3, you can chain 3 and begin, that's absolutely fine. That chain 3 will count as your first double crochet, then 4 more double crochets, now chain 8, 5 double crochets, chain 8, 5 double crochets, 3 more times. I shall meet you at that particular point when you complete. I have come to the end of this round here. Now chain, instead of chain 8, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a treble in the very first stitch or the third chain of the first 3 chains, so that you get the yarn to the center of the chain space here. Now make 3 doubles. This will be our first half corner, sorry. Chain 5, three doubles, chain 3 doubles in the corner, next corner, 3 doubles, chain 3, three doubles, so I am making a square here. If you want a pentagon, you need to increase by one more set of chain 8 and 5 DCs. Hexagon, 2 more sets of chain 8 and 5 DCs. And now from going to the next corner, chain 5. So continue this stitch pattern till this beginning of this particular round. I shall meet you here and complete my half corner also, the other half corner. I've come to the end of this round here. I've chained 5. Now I need to complete the other half corner of the very first corner. So 3 doubles, and instead of chain 3, I'm going to make chain 1 and a half double here in the very first double crochet that I did, or on the third chain if you've taken 3 chains, so that I get my yarn to the center of this corner. Again here you can pull up this yarn a little bit to the height, chain 3 and begin, or make your first standing double, 2 more doubles. This is my first half corner done. So now next, in each of the next 3 DCs you may place 1 double each. This particular stitch will be hidden, so you have to pick it up under this top loop. That is going to be little dicey. Yeah, I picked up. Now chain 2, and place a single crochet in the third chain of chain 5s. Chain 2. So 1 DC each on each of the next 3 DCs. Let me pull up sufficient amount of yarn. Three doubles, chain 3 doubles in the corner. So repeat this stitch pattern from here to here all around, and when you come to this particular point, I shall meet you here. I've completed the other half corner. Now chain, instead of chain 3, chain 1 and make a half double in the very first stitch. I have switched off the lights because it's clearer in the daylight. The stitches are clearer in the daylight. Here we go. Again make 3 doubles, first half corner done. Place 1 double on each of the next doubles here. 3, 6. Place 1 on each of them, and this first double will be little dicey to work because it's here. So you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now chain 5. Jump to the next double here and make a double. So this is a 2 round repeat pattern. Round 2, round 3 and 4 other pattern repeats. So only difference will be the number of DCs will increase here. The rest is going to be the same. In the corners we are going to work 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So count if, 3 is done. Now 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. Ensure that you are placing your next double in the very correct place. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is this. So this is likely to get hidden under the doubles that we make in the corner. So continue this stitch pattern till for the entire round on all sides. I shall meet you when I come back here, when I come back where I began. Come to the end of this round here. So again chain 1 and half double crochet, join in the very first stitch. The very first DC, make a half double crochet. Picking up this is little dicey. It gets hidden. Yeah. Again make the half corner. Place 3 DCs for the half corner and 1 DC each on all these DCs, and when you come here I shall meet you at this particular point. I have completed placing the DCs on DCs. There are 9 DCs other than the corner 3 DCs. Now chain 2. This is like round 3 and a single crochet in the third chain of the 5 chains. Inside the third chain, we are not working under the chain space. Again, chain 2 and place 1 DC each on each of the next 9 DCs. And in the corner, place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So check whether 3, 6, 3, 6, 9 DCs. Now 3 in the corner, chain 3, 3 in the corner, 3 doubles. So you have to repeat this stitch pattern all around. This is like round 3. Only thing, number of DCs has increased in the corners, on either side of the corners. Every round after round they increase by 3 DCs, 3 doubles, because we are placing 3 doubles in the corner for each side. Here 3 doubles, here 3 doubles. Okay, so continue this stitch pattern all around, and when you want to complete the swatch or the square, you complete it with round 3 pattern for round 3, and then we will place a single crochet and slip stitch, whatever decorations what we want to do it. Okay, so I shall complete this and get back to you. Now, as usual, I have completed my other half corner of the first corner. Now chain 1 and make a half double. This stitch is always dicey, yeah. It goes and gets hidden behind. That's because now chain 1 and place a single crochet, one more single crochet here, and 1 single crochet on each of the DCs. So there will be 12 here. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah. I'm purposely doing yarn under single crochet so that it gives a good grip. As per the pattern, this will be our single crochet round, will be our last round. If we wish, we can make a slip stitch round too. Now when we have come to the chain 2 space, place 2 singles. So either under the chain, or you can place 1 single each on each of the chains here. So that will give a good definition. And a single on the single on next chain 2s, 1 in each. So we are working in the chains. Okay, so this is how you continue placing single crochets on each of the DCs. In the corner, 2 singles, chain 3, 2 singles. So that is the stitch repeat, and then singles and 1 single each on each of the DCs. When you come to chain 2 space, 2 singles in each of the chains of chain 2, single on single, singles on next chain 2s. Okay, continue for the entire round. I shall meet you where I began here. We have come to the end of this single crochet round, chain 3, and I have placed my corners also, and slip stitch to the back loop of the very first single crochet, and continue this round of slip stitches. So you may place a stitch marker here. I place my stitch marker in the very first slip stitch, and slip stitch into the back loop of every stitch all across. When you come to the corner, I'll tell you what to do. Even in the corners, in every chain you need to slip stitch to the chains, okay, and continue all around. So I shall meet you where I began. Come to the end of the slip stitch round. Now I can remove my stitch marker from here and skip this first one and pull up the yarn from behind the second slip stitch. So cut this yarn, pull it out, and now the very last slip stitch that you made, so insert a hook from behind that slip stitch and pull this loop inside. So this is how it will be. So this is the last slip stitch that you made, so insert it inside. And here we go. So then you can hide this yarn behind the stitches. Here we've completed Devon's cross. This is titled as Devon's cross. Since we have taken 4 repeats here, we've got a square. If we take 5, we are going to get a pentagon. 6, it's going to be an hexagon. Okay, so even this itself with iron yarn, it's become a 9-inch square. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please do share your feedback in the comments section. Sorry. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.